Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to connect Epic Games to Steam. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Epic Games. So you have to log into your Epic Games first or create an account if you don't have. So click the very first link that appears here, tap this one, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so all you have to do is simply scroll up and then click login. And what you want to do here is to simply enter your email address, your password. Now, if you don't have an account, then you can sign up using any of these platforms here. Once you have your account already logged in, go to your profile and click account. Now, here under account, you have to scroll down again till you see this apps and accounts. So you have to tap this one. And once you tap this, you will see different types of social media platforms. And one of this is, of course, Steam. So, in order for you to connect your Steam to your Epic Games, all you have to do is to tap connect and it will take you directly to your Steam. And what you want to do is to log in your Steam. So, as you can see here, connect account. And the very last thing here to do is to simply log into your Steam by typing or entering your email address and your password. As easy as that. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.